jank-ass way of transporting my cart. Sorry.
What's up, guys? It's Peter with Go-Kart Academy and 893 Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing a customer delivery, and I decided that we should do a fun experiment using a 360 camera. So with the 360 camera, you guys can take a look around and see everything in this garage, and it'll give us some interesting insights to this customer delivery experience today. We're picking up an Italkart. What else is on it? A Italkart with an X125 engine, and we're giving it over to Marat. Marat, we've prepped your cart. We're excited to give it to you. We'll see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? We're here. What's going on? We're here. We made it, man. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. Yeah.
Got the 360 on. Take a look at the other. Oh, we got the music going. What's up? Look at this, guys. This is the other garage where work gets done. Awesome. I love this, man. You got a lot of room, too. Got a lot of room to work. Got the suits up. Got the Italkart over here. This is the one we're dropping off.
Yep.
Ooh, this is the one that's going to Marat, guys. Take a look at it. Clean. Super clean. Looks good. Nice. This is a track record holder, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right.
With Trevor. Crazy
Trevor.
Trevor behind the wheel. Yep. Track record holding. KART.
Awesome stuff. So we're going to be dropping this off today, guys, to Marat. So it's great to build these things, clean them up, make them ready to rock and roll on the track for good people. Good people.
Always good to say goodbye too.
Yeah, always good. Always good to say goodbye to good old karts, guys. So we're going to be hanging out here. We're going to be prepping the cart a little bit and then dropping off to Marat. So we'll see you.
What's up, guys? 893 Motorsports and Go-Kart Academy. We're here today. We're about to deliver a cart to a customer that we built this for. Yay. We're just going to kind of go over basics. We're going to look at things that need to be looked at before we give it to the customer. Make sure that when we hand it off, it's ready to go racing. So we're going to go over the chain, make sure everything's lubed, check the gas tank, all lines are secure, tires are aired up, things like that. Again, we just want to give the customer the best that we can right out of the box, and then from there it's kind of on them, and we'll help guide them through our tutorials and our videos.
Awesome. Yeah, so we're going to clean it up right now and make sure that everything's ready, absolutely ready for our client. Let's do it.
Let's do it. So like with a car, you can use quick detail just to spray on your microfiber, wipe things down, make sure it's clean. Then we'll lube the chain, check tire pressures, and go from there, guys. So guys, I'm just checking tire pressure, make sure they at least have 15 pounds. If the customer would like to reduce it down, they can. Just like to put 15 in, make sure it's pumped up enough if they want to sit it and take a romp around.
Just put in the battery, a fresh new battery, so he should be ready to go. Already tested here a little bit. Runs solid, sounds good. Other than that, I think we're ready to put it on the truck and deliver it to our customer, guys. All right, guys, so we have fully cleaned this thing and prepped it for delivery. I got my white Lamborghini gloves on.
White glove service.
White glove service. We're gonna be loading into the back of the truck and driving it just a couple miles over to our client. Let's do it.
See you there.
Kind of a cool view for people who have never experienced like 360 videos. It's an opportunity for them to... Does it fit perfectly? Actually does. So we got it loaded, as you guys can see. A little on the side, but it's perfect for a short drive, guys. Oh, and there's Maverick.
Driver.
Jank ass way to transport my cart. Sorry.
What's up, man? How you doing, brother?
See you, man.
Good to see you. Good to see you. So here we are, guys, dropping off the Italkart, fully cleaned, ready to go, tested, ready to roll, guys.
So guys, we've
Get
delivered.
closer like you like each other.
So guys, we've delivered our first cart to Mr. Marat here, and hopefully you enjoyed your experience.
It was awesome. Yeah. Cart was like sideways in a gladiator, so that was dope. But rolling up in style, guys. So can't hate on that. Super stoked to get it on the track. The Italkart's obviously highly recommended by you. Did
Yep.
my research as well. So really awesome setup. Can't wait to be out there. Gonna tear it up in the neighborhood first, scare the neighbors a little bit.
I mean, nothing wrong with that.
So, yeah. Thank you so much. It's been awesome.
Anytime, bro. Anytime.
Thanks again to Marat, our client. This is Go-Kart Academy and 893 Motorsports signing out, guys. Have a great one.
See you guys.
See you.